Question 1. What is the official currency used in Japan? A. Won. B. Yen. C. Yuan. D. Dollar. Answer B. Yen. Question 2. What is the official currency of India? A. Taka. B. Kyat. C. Dinar. D. Rupee. Answer D. Rupee. Question 3. What is the official currency used in the United States? A. Euro. B. Pound. C. Peso. D. Dollar. Answer D. Dollar. Question 4. Which currency is utilized in Switzerland? A. Euro. B. Franc. C. Krone. D. Mark. Answer B. Franc. Question 5. What is the name of the currency used in China? A. Yuan. B. Yen. C. Won. D. Ringgit. Answer A. Yuan. Question 6. What is the most widely spoken language in Turkey? A. Arabic. B. Kurdish. C. Turkish. D. Persian. Answer C. Turkish. Question 7. What is the primary language spoken in Greece? A. Latin. B. Italian. C. Greek. D. Spanish. Answer C. Greek. Question 8. Which language is the most commonly spoken in India? A. Bengali. B. Telugu. C. Hindi. D. Marathi. Answer C. Hindi. Question 9. What is the official language of Thailand? A. Thai. B. Malay. C. Burmese. D. Lao. Answer A. Thai. Question 10. Which language is primarily spoken in Argentina? A. Portuguese. B. Spanish. C. Italian. D. English. Answer B. Spanish.